that guy's brother.
Okay. What's in there, man? Huh? No, it's not. I'm not stupid. You want to get that out for me, or you want me to do a search warrant to get that out?
Ready at the next one.
Huh? Yeah, go ahead, do it with your left hand right now.
Can I get you for this residential handling at 4107 in Atlanta?
Smooth. Nothing else in there? Hey, go ahead, cuff him up too, just for now. You said nothing else? Gotcha. It's a weird feeling nut, man. Yeah, right?
On September the 18th, 2022, at approximately 7:33 p.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were on routine patrol in the area of West Broad Street and Central Avenue when the officers observed a silver Mercedes parked in a nearby parking lot. The officers sat and observed the vehicle for a period of time and observed multiple people walking to and from the vehicle. This activity is consistent with illegal narcotics sales. The vehicle shortly thereafter left the parking lot and the officers followed. The officers observed the vehicle fail to signal while changing lanes and conducted a traffic stop. Once the officers approached the vehicle, they observed the strong smell of marijuana emanating from the vehicle. The occupants were asked to step out of the vehicle so a search can be conducted for illegal narcotics. During the search of the vehicle and the occupants, officers located 2 Glock 10mm pistols, 98 Xanax pills, 97 oxycodone pills, and 43 1/2 pills of ecstasy. About $2,000 was also seized during this traffic stop.
Hey, what's going on, man?
How you doing?
Is everything all right? I seen you guys hanging out at the gas station. People were hanging outside the car, and then you failed to signal when you went to get into the left lane. When you took a left on the Broad, you signaled, but getting in that left lane, you didn't.
Yeah, can you roll this window down so we can see the guy in the back?
Yeah. Hey, sir. I do have my CCW on me.
Okay.
But can I get out of the car and make sure my light works? Because I have my hazards on.
Roll all the windows down. Here, turn your hazards off. Now turn your left turn signal on. It works. You just didn't go in your left turn lane.
The left turn signal does work?
Yeah. Idiot. Can we get another car? No sixes. You have your driver's license on you?
Yeah.
81, can you handle it?
Sir, do you have your ID? You don't have your seatbelt on.
I took it off.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Now that I visually see it, you don't have one on. In the state of Ohio, you're required to, okay? It doesn't matter.
Is your firearm in the car, sir?
It is located 12 o'clock on my head.
Okay. He's got a CCW.
And then the
Just
other one's
in
an
the
entrance.
parking lot of
Okay.
the church.
And I gave you my ID, right?
Yes, sir. You live out here or
No, I live
east?
out east.
Like Whitehall area?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just asking. 'Cause I see it says Whitehall tax bracket or whatever. What are you guys doing out here, man? What are you guys doing out here?
Just driving. We was about to go to Taco Nice.
Right on. That's like far
Yeah.
west?
Yeah.
I got you. Is there any other firearms in the car or is just yours with the CCW? Does anybody else have CCW?
You said no? No firearm?
I want to say my other Glock is in here.
Do you know where it'd be located? Without even reaching or anything like that? I mean, you're not in trouble for having it because you have CCW.
83, cancel the other car. Okay.
Is it in arm's reach of anyone else or no?
It might be over here
Okay.
in the seat, the passenger seat.
I got you. It's not that big of a deal, my man.
It's not up here.
190.
Wait a minute. I'm just gonna have you step out right now. I'm gonna talk to you separate. All right. Go ahead. Just face that way. I'm gonna take your gun off you, but you're not in trouble. All right.
Wait, so why are you taking my gun off?
To make us safe, right?
Oh, okay. Oh, I thought you was handcuffing me.
No. Can you take this and put that in the... You don't know where the other firearm is?
I think it's in the back of
In the back? Okay.
On the
Do you have
pocket.
anything on you at all? Just a lot of money?
Yeah.
Okay. The reason why I'm asking is
Not a
because it smells like weed and there's just a bunch of crumbs everywhere, okay? You know how much cash you have?
Yeah.
How much?
1,260.
Okay.
Can I grab my wallet?
Yeah, in a second. I'm just putting you back here for now because there's more of you than us, okay?
You said you was about to talk to me.
Yeah, I am. So I'm gonna talk to you back here, right?
Alright.
After we search your car to make sure there's no weed.
Do you think... You just take my money, bro?
It's gonna be on camera right there. I'm just making sure you got nothing in your pockets.
Get out, guys. If you want to.
Is a dog bite at all?
No.
Okay.
Step out here.
What?
This turn signal can work.
Yeah, it works. He just didn't use it,
Do you think it worked?
but it does. It doesn't make a difference.
No, I'm just saying.
I got you, man.
Yeah, in front of that van. Not see that at all. So they just smoke.
It don't smell like smoke.
Feels good.
You live out west? No.
Gentleman's fine. Speak code 2. What, that's 0?
490.
You send us the 16 at Dollar General, please.
Okay.
Did you pat him down or no?
What's that?
Did you get patted down?
No.
All right, go ahead, stand up. You got anything on you at all? Huh?
No.
No? Okay. You guys are ballers, man. You got a lot of money. The reason why you're getting searched is a lot of weed right where you're sitting, okay? I said the reason why you're getting searched right now is because there's a lot of weed where you're sitting, okay? So I'm just making sure there's nothing else on you. All right, you're good to sit back down there. No, not for now. Hey, you got anything on you, man? Go ahead, stand up. Put your hands on your back. The reason why I'm searching right now is because there is weed in the car, so I make sure you don't have anything on you. Okay, yeah.
You're hanging out. What do you do for work, my man? Finishing? Finishing what? Right on. Okay.
What's in there, man?
Huh? No, it's not. I'm not stupid. You want to get that out for me, or you want me to do a search warrant to get that out?
Ready to next one.
Huh? Yeah, go ahead, do it with your left hand right now.
Package for this residential panic at 4107 in Atlanta.
Smooth. Nothing else in there? Hey, go ahead, cuff him up too, just for now. Said nothing else? Gotcha. It's a weird feeling nut, man. Yeah, right? What? Nah, no. Wherever you go, it'll go.
Nah, he's...
There's another 33.
105. Come on, 5. Who's the phone with a BB camera?
What's that? No, well, yeah, I should have grabbed one. But
Copy with the BB camera, 5561 Wrestling 1.
but we'll need to get the dude's info who was sitting back here.
Who was sitting back here?
The black,
Yeah, thank you.
The Eagle?
male black. No, the
The other one?
Yeah.
Randall? Okay. You call the dog in our cruiser.
Okay. Hey, did you get his? Who? Yours? The male black? Did you get his info? Okay. Hey, the other 33's back here.
Yeah.
Hey, you see this?
Where was that?
Center console.
Center console?
Yeah. Should I just leave it?
We already took it out, so it's fine.
We'll just know. Would you first see back here that you
Nah, he
cuffed him?
Well, there's like this bags of weed, but
Yeah.
he searched it or checked his ball sack and he had just a bunch of pills in there.
Gotcha.
Nuts. Gotcha.
I'm gonna leave this here. Okay. Just wanna hang out right here for a second. Alright, put this away.
Thank you.
Any evidence check Channel 5?
Xanax is in, where was that? Center console?
Xanax is center console armrest of the back seat.
Oxy's in the back. No, it was in his nuts.
Right.
He told me that it was his nuts. And I was like, really gonna write a search warrant or use it out with your left hand? And then the X.
The X was in the ashtray of the center console in the back seat.
He's very... Oh, really? He was in the Army. So he was phenomenal on his interview. Like, I learned a lot. Like, he kind of built that rapport. You kind of played it real cool with him. He got this guy to focus on himself.
Yeah, he's the one with the dog.
got, Christy?
They're both blank.
Thank you.
Here's this on the guns. I got tech ID number and all that.
Here, what's the tech number?
47.
What?
The name.
Yep.
David.
Yeah, one
Robert,
second.
Adam. George.
Oh,
Ocean.
what is it?
Dragoson. Dave, Robert, Adam, George, Ocean, Sam, Ida, Norman.
Hey, Christy, can you do me a favor?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to check his cup system plan?
Yeah, I'll check it out real quick.
Thank you.
Yep.
This is 1250.
Said 1250.
This is driver 1250.
Here's 6 information area fraud in Galloway. It says, off and on, people are racing up and down the street.
S15.
That's 15.
Yeah, put me on your 8A. They're at Old Darby.
Okay, got it.
645.
645?
Hey, can I call this week tomorrow so I can see if I can get the dog?
Yeah. You say you don't? Okay.
Channel 4, Channel 4.